Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the web app, go to Chat. Open Com and sign in. Once logged in, click your profile icon at top right and select Settings to open account controls. You want the conversation history or privacy section visible. If you don't see it, make sure your account verification steps are complete. This first step gets you to the exact panel where deletion actions live, and it prevents interruptions later when you must confirm permanent removal. Now remove items. In the left conversation list, hover a chat and choose the trash icon to delete one conversation. Use multi-select if available to remove several at once. Alternatively, in privacy settings, toggle off the option to store conversations so new chats won't be saved. Make sure to read the confirmation prompt. Deletions can be permanent. Once you perform the action, the server-side record is cleared according to OpenAI's control. Finish by verifying. Log out and log back in, then check the conversation list to confirm removals. If deleted chats still appear, clear your browser cache or open chat. Open Com in an incognito window to rule out local caching. If the issue persists, you may need to contact support and describe the steps you took. Include timestamps and screenshots if possible. One quick troubleshooting tip: ensure you didn't have multiple accounts signed in, as history could belong to a different profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.